The freaking wire. It's so bright. Let me turn this down. I feel like I'm always in a rush when I'm filming. Let me properly introduce you guys to the vlog. Today I am doing a night routine. Woo! It's so hot. I'm in a turtleneck. I just finished filming some content, so that's why you guys see me doing that. Today was a filming day, but the sun set at 4. So I didn't finish filming everything because I started at 3, to be honest, which is kind of late. So I'm gonna have to film again tomorrow. I have my hair in a bun. I don't know what's going on. I gotta sit down. My room is kind of crazy right now. It's so dark. We're about to go vote. Being a good citizen. But where's my charger too? Stole my charger. Oh my goodness. We're going to vote. It's cold. I still have on this tape. Lord have mercy, I am a mess. Normally I like to have more structure to my night routines, but this is just how my life has been. So we're just gonna go along with it. It's gonna be realistic. My night routine is really not that extensive. I do a few things. I try to do a few things every night. This vlog is gonna be in collaboration with Rebecca, so her video will be linked down below. She's gonna be doing a morning routine, so make sure you check her video out too, so you get the full experience, you know what I'm saying, get some inspiration for your routines. I love watching these types of videos, so I'm never gonna stop doing them. I'm never gonna stop. Why do I have so much energy? I woke up at freaking 6 something today off of 6 hours of sleep. I don't know how I'm still functioning. Today I'm actually cooking dinner for the house. I normally cook dinner twice a week for the house. I'm such a great stay-at-home daughter, I know. It's 7:28. My room is a mess, so I'm definitely gonna have to do a cleanup also. That's the update. I need to rip off this tape. I did UGC, this brand. It's like a boob tape. Okay, the back doesn't hurt, but once you get to the front, it hurts a little bit. Yep, that was a nickel. Y'all, the Eco about to be glue. I like y'all, but y'all be like, the whiteness is, I'm not here for that.
Girl, I like you, I do. I wanna be a friend, go shopping in a Benz. I like you, I do.
You gonna call me back? Okay, alright. Show me that you love me.
Oh, so we live?
Live?
I'm not even in the cam.
Well, you're far away. Hello? You did? I'm eating a empanada that I made yesterday. They actually came out good. I made the dough homemade, okay? Just got off the phone with my grandma. I actually don't know what I want to make for dinner. I think I might make like some spinach, and I don't know what else, to be honest. I'm tired. I do not feel like cooking tonight. But I just been sitting here for the past hour or 2, I think. I don't even know. The time is just flying by. I was just organizing some content briefs that I had to film, revising a contract, sending an email, way past my bedtime. I'm about to plan my day for tomorrow.
The last few months I've been working on me, baby. There's so much trauma in my life. I've been so cold to the ones who love me, baby. I look back now and I realize.
Okay, looking crazy right now. Ignore the washer going on. But my face feels so dry. I think it's time to try my Olay retinol set. I got this from Walmart. I paid like $25 and under for this. That's the one thing I like about holiday season. This always happens. That's the one thing I love about holiday season is the gift sets that come out. I be getting them for people like for Christmas, but I also be getting it for myself. It comes with a body wash, facial cleanser, and then a night moisturizer. So I'm just gonna use the nighttime moisturizer. If you see this in my monthly favorites next month, then you know it did the job. Play brown noise.